Stop scrolling for a second. Windows may be storing junk files on your PC that you probably don't even know exist. And some of them can take up gigabytes of space. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find them, which files are safe to delete, and how to clean them up without breaking Windows. So stay until the end because the last one is the easiest to miss. In this video, I will share with you 3 steps. The first step, press Window key and the R key at the same time, and then it will open this box, and here write prefetch. After that, click OK. Before you do anything, right click in the empty area in the folder. After that, click Properties, and then you can see the number for the size on the disk, and then we can compare it in the end. Okay, after that, press Ctrl A to select everything, and then press Shift and delete. And then you see here, are you sure that you want to permanently delete these 94 items? Yes. Some files will refuse to delete, and that's normal. And then here skip. Okay, you can see I have here still 2 files, but that is okay. Okay, the second step, again, do the same. Press Window key and R key at the same time. And now type %temp, T-E-M-P, and %. After that, click OK. Look what we have here. Every install that's crash have throw, every update that's failed, every app that's closed unexpectedly, none of them clean up after themselves. Okay, what you need to do, press Ctrl A and then press delete. Okay, the third step, press Window key and R, and now type .windir, W-I-N-D-I-R, and slash, and then temp, T-E-M-P, and then here Ctrl A, and then press Shift and delete, and then yes. Yeah, this is what you need to do. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.